Our ranking will be very high. You can see what we are doing here. You can see the other project. We have not procured new project for now. Yeah? Because as you know, we have so many pending projects in this county. And those pending projects are pending bills. Yeah? So what we are trying to do is first to take stock, and we have started taking stock. Any building which a contractor was given and has not completed and did not ask for extension, we will cancel it. So you will see the next month.
Vile labda mmesikia huko mbeleni inatarajiwa by mwezi wa 10 kupeanwa. Lakini tutajaribu kwa uwezo wetu, kwa ushirikiano pia wa county. Tukishirikiana vizuri kabisa tunaweza patia nyumba yao kabla miezi 3 kabla.